Hello, USD 489 Hayes. I've been asked to make a couple of tutorials on using Microsoft Office 365 and a little bit with moving back and forth between your OneDrive for Business account and the desktop programs, or as they're more typically called now, applications for Microsoft Office 2013. So you want to start out by going to portal.office.com. See, I'm typing that into my URL up here, and then we log in. I have saved my password previously, so it already knows who I am. Alright, so we're going to start here in OneDrive. I have begun saving all of my stuff to OneDrive, so you'll notice I have lots of folders here, each having a variety of different files in them. But in order to work with Word Online or PowerPoint Online or Excel Online here, or even OneNote Online, to start a new file, if you click here at this plus new, I'm just going to start with Word, and I'm going to start a new Word file. The online Office 365 version of Word just has a few less features than you're used to in the desktop program or application. But the first thing you'll want to do here is come up to this black bar here at the top. You'll see your name. And right here where it says document, if you click there, it highlights the Word document and you can type right over it. I'm going to name this Delete Me Later, since we're just trying some things out here. And I'm going to go ahead and enter some text down here. You'll notice most of the text formatting things that you're used to on the home ribbon in Word are available here. You can also still in this instance of Word, the online version here, add a picture, add an online picture, table, page break, header, footer, page numbers, some of the things you're used to. You can also add some symbols. Math teachers, there is not an equation editor in this version that I've played with or found anyway. There's also some layout opportunities. You can of course change the margins, whether or not your page is landscape or portrait, and the size of paper that you're using. So those are the online features. But it's easy here to open the desktop application too if there was something more advanced that you were wanting to do. So if we click right here, say Open in Word, this little Launch Application window pops up. And if you're using Firefox, you will also see this. There's a couple things you want to do correctly here, because you have the opportunity to never see this little Launch Application window again. So the first thing is to remember my choice with Microsoft Word links. Okay, so we're going to click the little box down here to remember. Then you want to make sure that the bar here that says Microsoft Office 2013 is blue, and then you're going to click OK. So two things, right? We have this checked for remember my choice, Microsoft Office 2013 is blue, and then we click OK. It's going to open the desktop version. Now why would you want to do this? Why not just go to the Start menu and open up Word? Well, that's all well and good, but then you have to save as, and you have to make sure that you've picked your OneDrive for Business account, and you may even have to log into it again. But if you go this route, you're actually, even though you're working in the desktop application, still saving to the cloud. So I'm going to do a little more editing here. I'm still saving in the cloud. And at this point, I want you to watch real closely down here on the bottom right corner of this toolbar, because it's going to say uploading to SharePoint. When you come up here to the top left corner and click Save. So you can see down here it says uploading to SharePoint. It goes away pretty quick. And now, though it feels uncomfortable, you can literally just close the document, top right corner there. And when you get back here to the cloud, when you close this window, your browser is going to refresh itself, and your changes will be here. You can see where I typed my second line is now also available here. I'm still saving in the cloud. So there's no save as, there's no worrying about where your document is located. Did I get it in the right place? Is it in the right folder? It's right where you started it. And so now I can even just close this browser of the window. I can also go back using the app launcher. Here, this little waffle-shaped icon, it's called the app launcher. I can go back here to OneDrive and start something else. If there are other things that you'd like to see about Office 365 or any other tech question that you'd like for me to address in a tutorial, please feel free to drop me a line. I'd be happy to do that. Hope you all have a great day.